This is why you use Moxiciline. See the eyes? I don't have any, so I'm going to use a warm washcloth and a little soap. See? We want to clear that right up. Moxiciline will do that. When I got my Chester last year, that's pretty bird singing. He had such an eye infection from his sinuses. He had white pus coming from them, rolling off them. The landlord brought me 3 cats. 2 of the black and white ones, they were too flea-ridden and they died. Fleas will kill kittens. And so I had a little Moxiciline left over for my black cat. This is a red cat, red Motel 6 for kittens. And so I put it to him, and started giving it to him, and his eyes cleared right up. So I use it whenever he gets an eye infection. So have to go get a washcloth. I just want you to see what's going on. Oh, and they're finishing out a can. I got let's see, 8 and 4, 12 cans last night. They won't last long. 2 a day. Mama cat, and then Daphne, not Daphne, Lulu and Ling Ling, they share 1 twice a day. That's it. Go get that can. Get that can. I gotta get my washcloth and do that, so bye.